Alright guys, I just want to say after having 2.5 hours on Black Cat, I can safely say that I've gotten better. Definitely, and I've gotten a few MVPs, of course. But yeah, I've gotten way better at Black Cat. Okay. Please, please.
You'll need a
please,
top-notch
please,
team to win
please.
this one.
Oh, I got her. I got her. Let's fucking go. Oh, okay, no more heal. Alright. No, I see. So excited. Let's get it. Get it, 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 get it. Alright, guys.
I'd hold onto your wallet if I were you.
And sorry, better heal. I'm not playing no games
30
right now.
seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Oh, God. Right.
I'm not letting anyone steal a victory
so
from
nervous.
me.
I'm so nervous.
Felicia's here. Guess it's your lucky
I'm
day.
gonna wait over here. I don't know where else to go.
Be your best self.
Oh, she gave me
The
She
battle
gave me
starts in 5,
snowflake.
4, 3, 2, 1. You have
Let's
to stop
fucking
them
go.
from securing the mission area.
Here they come now. Ugh, anything's better than working with Deadpool. Wait,
I'm scared.
Deadpool's not here.
Yoink! Give me that luck.
Consider it hell.
Ah!
Breaking back.
That definitely helps.
Why this orb?
For you, I'm in a helpful mood. Just a
Wow, thank you for the heals. 7 heals. 4 heals.
fortune for me.
What the fuck? Ah!
Right on target.
Oh, I'm scared. No, please. What the?
I feel kind of vulnerable.
Oh, we got him. Oh, I got him.
You owe me one.
Double kill!
Oh, go through. I went through much. I went through much.
Better already.
Ah, I'm scared.
Enemy in front of us.
I'm used to
I'm
cobwebs.
just gonna wait
but
behind
they seem
here.
different.
What should I buy?
So
Shit.
stealthy.
What did I fucking shoot at? Ah! So nervous. Am I playing with crosshair?
Give me that luck.
Because I've been losing so much.
Beautiful and
Ah!
deadly.
I got her.
This health belongs to
Ah! I got him.
me. Luck wasn't on
I
your
got him. I
side.
got him. I got him. Oh my God! Amazing right now. This is such a beautiful moment. Put that up there.
Tried to help, but now you
See.
owe me. Yoink! Give me or it's mine for the taking.
Dinner time, love!
You know, we make a
shit.
perfect team.
Ah! I got them. I got them. I got them. I got them.
Or
Who am I playing with right now?
That's 3.
Who am I playing with right
The
now?
luck spell strange.
This makes no sense. I don't have
Right on
place
target,
anymore.
Elsa, as always.
Oh, oh. Ah! Please! Please! Oh, God.
To me.
That one hits the grand finale. You crossed my path!
What the fuck? Oh! Ah. Fuck you, Strange.
Guess I'm not so unlucky
Holy fucking
after
shit.
all.
That guy's an asshole. I'm just trying to learn a character, my bro.
By the eye of
Oh, I'm gonna get
Agamotto.
him. He's gonna...
Let's make a deal.
Okay, well. Oh my God, I'm gonna die. Oh my God, please. No! Luna, please! Luna, please!
Better already.
Oh.
Give me that luck.
Stars.
Thank you. My savior. Oh, shit. Oh. I just got killed by a fucking nut, bro.
It is awesome shield.
Oh my god. That's it. That's it. She's gonna get it. She's gonna get it.
Time!
Oh, that is not what I meant. I meant F.
You need to stop that vehicle in its tracks.
Oh, where the fuck? Luna.
Better already.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Sorry.
Oh shit, don't go in, don't go in, don't go in. Run away, run away. Oh shit.
For me.
Stop that vehicle!
Luna! Oh my god.
Stop them!
I need to stop getting so excited. Let's see, what should I do? I'll do this, just in case I get stunned by the thing a little. Ah! I got him again! Oh, Luna, please! No!
That last vehicle?
The cat came back.
Anything to hurt
Fucking get it. Luna? Where's Luna? Ah! Luna, please!
Lord have mercy.
Shit.
Definitely helps.
Fuck. She's sniping my ass.
Good fortune.
Still a chance to stop them!
Are you kidding me? What a fucking bot. Luna, 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 please. Luna, Luna, no! Luna! Maybe I should put my trust in Luna. I don't know. Okay, Cloak. Trusting you to heal. Cloak. Okay. I still have my thing. I don't know what it's called. Okay, I'm going out. Ah! I don't know why I used that. Backing up.
Better stop that vehicle!
Well, you know. I don't know what Cloak was. There.
Now or never! Stop them!
Maybe that's why she has 5 deaths.
Let's
See if
make
I
a
get
deal.
anything good. 250. Okay, I'm gonna buy
So
this.
stealthy.
I'm gonna buy a
I
Stella.
wish I could do what you do.
I'm scared.
You put up a yoink. Give me that luck.
Oh, I got a KO. I think I'm Aura.
Only one.
Wow. Another.
Definitely helps.
Back up.
Good fortune for me.
They're coming up ahead.
Oh! Wow. Okay. The goddamn
I'm starting from
nut. The
scratch.
goddamn nut. You know what? This is not okay. I forgot I had that ability. Wow.
Peekaboo.
I'm gonna buy this, I guess.
You won't be needing that.
Luna, please. Luna. Oh my god, Luna. Scared. Scared right now.
Don't give them another inch!
Luna, I got you.
Good fortune for me.
Please! Luna! Oh my god, Luna, please.
This is
Okay, Rocket
I
killed me.
always land on
Time to
my
wrap it
feet.
up.
I seem to be unprotected.
Well, we can't expect to win them all.
Luna. OMG. Wow. hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you do, subscribe and follow for more.